How to send money using PayPal. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you send money using PayPal. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So what here you need to do is, first of all, open the PayPal application. Also make sure that your account is verified and link your debit card or credit card as well. Now then, to begin with, tap on the menu bar from the top right and click on send money. Alright. So you could just go ahead and click on send money, and when you click on the send money or the wallet activity, you could go and click on it, and then you have to go ahead and verify your identity and enter in the recipient's detail. All right, so for the recipient detail, you could type in the PayPal phone number, email address, or any other information associated with PayPal and confirm it, send, or type in the exact amount that you want to transfer, all that, and this way you'll be able to send money using PayPal. So this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.